Hey everyone, Monique here with Info.prosmiles going over our tooth gem starter kit that's available online. If you contact us directly on Instagram or whatever, we're more than happy to help you with the processing of purchasing the kit. So to get started, first, what is not included is this tap-it-on. It's really cute. I just wanted to kind of show it here for display. I highly recommend that you get one of these. If you take my in-person, it is included, so don't worry about the practicing part. But if you're buying my online class and you're purchasing this online, I highly recommend maybe buying two, one to practice on and one for you to display where your most popular locations are. And I do have a video you can refer to for my most popular locations as well. So moving forward, we have your micro brushes. You're gonna get 20 of those. You can get 25 cotton rolls. Your bond, flowable, etch, wax, express tips for your flowable, covers for your LED curing light. You get 10 of those. One set of eye protectors for your client. I highly recommend maybe getting one for yourself too, so you're not looking into the light. And then as far as the gems, you're gonna get crystal and crystal AB. Also in size 3, 5, 7, and 9. The crystals I use is from Blue Streak. They're Percussia. They're beautiful crystals. And yeah, they're absolutely amazing. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at info.prosmiles@gmail.com or text me 602-486-8629. All of this is available online. You can even directly contact me on my online messenger. I'm always available. As soon as I can message you. So thank you for watching, and feel free to look at any of my other videos, especially the one for my most popular locations. Thank you and have a great day.